messy drawers, stressful morning. If this is you, this video is for you. What are you waiting for? Let's do some drawers organizing. When I'm organizing my drawers, I love to organize with my everyday wear. My everyday wears are my active wear, my t-shirts, etc. So I'm going to be starting off with putting all my leggings in one pile. We will be starting with short leggings first. And this is how I fold my leggings. It's short. I make sure I do it in two. So fold it in half and then you fold double and then you roll. Therefore, you have your short leggings just like this. It doesn't take a lot of space. I'm gonna be putting this away. Now let's fold long leggings. Long leggings, you stretch it out. Make sure everything is even. And this is what it looks like when it's even. Bring it to the middle and then you fold. Just like how you do your short leggings. This is what it looks like. And then I'm gonna be doubling. So your long leggings, it's just folded as how your short leggings are folded. Next, I'm gonna be folding my t-shirts. I love to fold my t-shirts in colors. T-shirts are a little bit tricky because you have to fold them a special way. And that's how I like it. So this is what my t-shirt looks like when it is folded. It is neat and it doesn't take up any space.
Let's fold a third t-shirt so you could get an idea of how I fold my t-shirts.
For my everyday house tank tops and also camis, I have these in color coordinated, which I have all the blacks together, the color greens together, and I have all camis here. These are all my camis. Those are tank tops and camis together. I don't have to go searching for them. You know, everything is in order the way I want them to. And these are all my house tops. Or if I want to go to the gym and I just feel like putting on a tank top, my everyday tops, I just put on with a leggings if I'm in the house. My long sleeves are separated. These go with my cold stuff, if in case we're having a little cold weather, or if I just want to put on a long sleeve. So I put all my long sleeves together and I fold them just like how I fold my t-shirts. I have had this top for many years. I'm so surprised that this top that I just showed you, I've had it for over 10 years and it's still going. And this is from Old Navy. Nice stripe, blue and white stripe. It is so comfortable. I love this top. So the hardest part for me when I'm organizing my drawers is my sweat bottoms and my sweat tops. So what I usually do to find some space is to fold it just like how I fold my leggings, but I do it in a different way so it's less space in the drawers. So I roll and I roll, and then I roll again as small as I can, and I roll, and then I try to get it as tight as I can. It's similar to what I did with my leggings, but it's a little bit more bulkier. So I do this to get more space for my sweat bottoms. For my sweat tops, what I do, I use the hood to make a little ball. So this is what I do with my sweat tops. I fold them just like this, and then I roll the sweat top as tight as I can. When I get to this part, I use my hoodie to come over like this and make it into a little ball. And this is how I do my sweat tops. See? So you don't have that whole sweat top taking so much space, and then I get a lot of space. After a couple hours of organizing my drawers, this is what my drawers look like. Are you ready? Drum roll. Yee! The first drawer has all my everyday t-shirts. The second drawer has all my house leggings and also my going out leggings. The third drawer has all my yoga sets. The fourth drawer has all my house tops. The fifth drawer has all my everyday tops. And the last drawer has all my sweaters. Keeping organized drawers is not an easy task to do, especially if you're someone who is busy and is always on the go. Do you like the way I organize my drawers? Yes or no? Leave your answer in the comment down below. Like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.